Hi, my name is Robert Oliveira, and I'm one of the engineering managers here at RapDev. Managed Datadog is a new managed services offering that we've created here at RapDev. It's come from an evolution of many of the services that we've done in the past, and from a lot of the feedback that we've gotten from customers. As organizations grow, their best practice and their standards starts to drift. And what we found through multiple engagements with customers is that they really need help in organizing, cleaning up, keeping the hygiene, managing the cost overruns and the cost creeps that occur. And so we've created a service where customers get to enjoy the best that we have to offer in terms of our expertise and our analytics and our ability to find and tune their Datadog environment. And they get the best out of it because at the end of the day, we end up doing it and they receive all the benefits for it. When we talk about Datadog, we really come in under 4 pillars. One's hygiene, one's cost, one's scale, and one's security. When we talk about hygiene, what we're really looking at is clearing up the noise, the signal to noise ratio that Datadog creates. In a lot of environments and a lot of platforms that we've seen, we see the natural drift of engineers and the engineering teams create more monitors. Their thresholds are just slightly off. And then you start getting monitors that become super noisy. They fire, 1,000 times a week. And you end up missing that one time where that creates an outage. When we talk about scale, what we're talking about is making sure that as engineering teams continue to grow and as their needs continue to evolve, we're able to help them create those dashboards, help them create those monitors, help them develop SLOs, allow organizations to continue to bring in more and more engagement into Datadog, more services, more applications. When we talk about security, what we're looking at there is really a key couple of things. One is application key and API key usage. We've seen a lot of times where engineers leave organizations, their app keys still stay. We've seen API keys be misused, and what we're trying to do is we're really looking in and trying to find those key security pieces to make sure that that doesn't occur in our customers' environment. And then one of my personal favorites are public dashboards. They seem like such a little innocuous, feature that Datadog offers, but it does open a vector for private confidential information to be shared out to customers. And so that's one of the things that we really hone in on as one of the first key tenet things that we do is make sure that we review your public dashboards and make sure that if they are there for a reason, there's no information that we shouldn't be showing out to the world. What we've seen is that as customers engage with Managed Datadog, we're able to save them the entire year's worth or sometimes their entire contract's worth of their Managed Datadog spend within the first 3 months. We've had customers where within a month and a half of engaging with us, we've saved them over $1.8 million in just identifying log growth and that has come in from their applications that they weren't expecting. And we continue to find these little efficiencies, right? And I say little because it's such a simple thing to look at. And a lot of customers miss it, or they're too busy trying to grow their application space, their Datadog platform, that they neglect to look in that space. And that's where we thrive in, because we're coming in and we're really trying to identify where is it that you can better use or better leverage your Datadog spend.